In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple strawberry and pomegranate detox drink that will naturally aid in weight loss, eliminate harmful toxins from your body, while also allowing you to have increased energy so that you can go about your day. I will explain the benefits of having this super simple drink as part of a regular diet at least 2 to 3 times per week, and how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy drink consists of only 3 simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are half a cup of chopped strawberries and a quarter of a cup of pomegranate seeds and a glass of water. Once you have all the items gathered, add all the contents to a glass and mix till they have a consistent texture. And when that is done, add all the contents to a jar or a container and place in the fridge to be left overnight. For the most effective results with this drink, make sure to have a glass first thing in the morning as soon as you get up on an empty stomach. This simple and healthy drink not only helps to boost the immune system, but it also helps to detox the body to allow you to lose stubborn belly fat while also improving digestion. Plus it is also packed with loads of nutrients and fibre and anti-inflammatory properties to help alleviate muscle and joint pain. This is a simple drink that won't take long to prepare, and you will be amazed at how great it tastes to get your morning off to a perfect start and to give you increased energy levels throughout the day. If you're looking for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track to feeling better and having more energy, then be sure to check out the link in the description to help get you started. And again, if you're finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.